Omushomo gwabo muri Fort Portal hamu kwa headquarters zo mu Rembo ra Fort Portal City gwareta abebembezi b'ebitongole bitari bya gavumenti abo bukama abanyadini eminyeto n'abebembezi ba gavumenti z'ebyanga. Turigambaho na manager wa Capacity Building and Advocacy Office ya IGG Christian Lamwaka bwa nyuma y'omushomo yashobora nkija kuyamba mu kwatanisa hamwe no mu Okurwanisa Obushomankuzi mu Rutoro.
We came to have a discussion for them to appreciate that corruption is a concern for everyone. And it is a problem. We have a big problem in the country. And they should be concerned as citizens, first as citizens and as cultural leaders.
Joseph Muramuzi or Advocacy Officer yashobora ko mu rugwa sente nico kizibu cy'amani ecyongezo Obushomankuzi mu bantu kandi no kuremesa abantu kutunga obuhereza burungi.
But the survey found out that corruption, the biggest driver of corruption is greed and the need for quick money. The survey found out that the biggest driver of corruption is we are not saying poverty is not, but we are saying the biggest number one driver of corruption is greed and the need for quick money.
Abebembezi b'obukama bine bagamba Obushomankuzi na nekiri kwetengwa kukora.
They are there and some of them we know them. We know Mr. Swande so has this job, but he put this and that paper. We know that information and that is a monster killing us here in the region. We must find a way of curbing that.
I think you are all aware that at police you cannot get even a single service without giving out money. Our people are not going to fight that, and they have support of it. Minus you yourself entering in and being.
Angela Byangwa ori mukuru w'ekitongole kya Rwenzori Anti-Corruption Coalition yashababa Ofiisi ya Karishorisho Okurwanisa Obushomankuzi mu kuronda emirimo.
This commission, we need to improve the system, the mechanism in which how people are recruited, because it already shows us that there is need for e-recruitment, where there is little interaction with the people who will bribe, who will corrupt the system. So we need to work together, like with the IG, to come up and formulate policies and laws which can protect the citizens of this country.
Ori muhwezi wa mushikirwa w'obukama bwa Toro Harriet Nyakake yashaba abantu ba Toro kwegendesereza mu kushisha abatayi babo n'ebishuba omu mishango.
Mugendere ekintu kyonyine ekyokumanya ngo kiro kiboireho baitu utagenda mukabuga nogonza n'akanyakake tokugonza reka ngende mu IGG nsise ibarari mu bantu gendayo n'ekintu kyonyine ekikire
Abayeta b'omushomo ogu baraganisa kukwatanisa kurwanisa Obushomankuzi ahabw'entunguka y'ihanga. Amakuru agasha kwa Justin Nyakisiki.